Hong Kong's economy grew modestly in the third quarter of 2012. Real GDP grew by 1.3% year-on-year, similar to the 1.2% figure seen in the second quarter. Total exports of goods grew 4% in real terms. However, exports to the EU market saw a double-digit year-on-year decline, while those to the US and major Asian markets were also weak. However, exports to the mainland and Japan saw stronger year-on-year growth. Exports of services slowed to a marginal figure of 0.1% growth, compared with 2.9% in the second quarter. The lackluster performance was due to the combined effects of sluggish trade flows and quieter fundraising and cross-border financing activities in the face of an uncertain global economic outlook, and moderation in per capita visitor spending. The labor market remained broadly stable in the third quarter, with the unemployment rate at 3.3%. The residential property market grew further during the third quarter, with overall flat prices up 6%. Prices of small and medium-sized flats grew by 21% in the first 9 months of 2012, outpacing the 11% figure for large flats. CPI dropped from 5.2% in the first quarter to 4.2% in the second, and fell further to 3.1% in the third. The underlying CPI for this year as a whole is 4%. Forecast GDP growth is 1.2% for 2012 as a whole. The forecast rates of headline and underlying consumer price inflation for 2012 as a whole are 3.9% and 4.5% respectively, compared to the 3.7% and 4.3% figures predicted in August.
And as always, our regulatory authorities will continue to take all the necessary precautionary measures to safeguard macroeconomic and financial sector stability. And we would again like to take this opportunity to remind investors to stay vigilant and stay alert to the risks ahead, given the highly uncertain external environment.